Hello everyone, my name is Hugo. Let me introduce you Chevalier's MCS Intelligent Machine Communication System. This system connects the machine robot, peripheral equipment, sensors, and other devices through the iBox. The MCS system through iBox via MT Connect and OPC UA communication protocol, compatible with major application platforms, allowing management to have a good control of the factory. MCS system functions. MCS can monitor machine status, real-time data, perform statistics on utilization rate, and transfer programs directly from the management center to the controller, and can perform online system diagnosis, as well as pre-planning service and maintenance suggestions, so that managers can get real-time production information. Chevalier's MCS connects the entire production process of smart manufacturing. Machine operators can communicate with each other. The factory production management model with real-time, database, and visualized management. Let us jointly create a smart factory for your needs.